Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and play Subway Surfers on your PC or laptop. So this is great if you want a bigger screen, smoother gameplay, and easy keyboard controls. And it also saves your phone battery. So first open your browser, Chrome or Edge. Search for BlueStacks and click the official BlueStacks website. Now that we're on the site, so here's what BlueStack is. It's a free Android emulator that lets your computer run Android apps and games just like a phone. It's widely used, safe when you get it from the official site, and it includes built in keyboard controls that you can change later. So click the download button to get the installer, then open it and follow the steps later. Installation usually takes a few minutes. When BlueStack opens, use the search bar at the top to type Subway Surfers. Click the game and press install. And if Google Play asks you to sign in, use your Google account to finish the download. Then after it installs, you'll see Subway Surfers on the BlueStacks home screen, and then click the icon to start playing. So for the best performance, only download BlueStacks from the official site. Close heavy apps, make sure you have enough storage, and if things feel laggy, lower the graphics and BlueStacks settings, or optional, enable hardware virtualization in your PC's BIOS. You can also edit your key mapping in the controls menu to set keys the way that you like. So thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit subscribe to PC Error Detective and turn on notifications.